Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create 3D bar chart in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, category and amount. So here I'm going to create 3D bar chart. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, just click on the first option, the insert column or bar chart. Just click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see the first 2D column, 3D column, then 2D bar and 3D bar. So here I'm going to insert 3D bar chart. So there are three options in 3D bar chart. So I select the first one, and that's it. Here you can see your 3D bar chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. In chart design tab, you can change your chart style also. Just click on this drop down arrow, and you can see the different chart style is available. You just keep cursor and see the preview of these charts. Okay. So I select this one. That's it. Here you can see your chart style is changed. Okay. If you want to change the layout, just go to the chart design tab. In chart layout group, click on the second option, quick layout. Just click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see the different layout is available. When you keep cursor on it, see the preview on your bar chart. Okay, see the preview. Select it those you want. That's it. Here the layout also changed. Okay. Now, if you want to change the chart type, again go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, change chart type. You can select a different chart also. So here I'm going to select only bar chart. In bar, the selected chart is here. Here you can see the showing the selection. And here I'm going to select a different chart type. So I select the last one, and see here the preview of this bar chart. Okay, 3D bar chart. Okay, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see your chart type is changed. Okay, and if you want to move this chart in different sheet, again go to the chart design tab. In location group, click on the move chart option, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, move chart. In second option, object ins, click on this arrow and select here the sheet number 2. Then click on the OK, and that's it. Your chart is moved in sheet number 2. In sheet number 1, you can see the chart is not available. It's moved in sheet number 2. Okay. So this is the way you can create the 3D bar chart in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.